Judy.
This is Esel Johnny from Germany.
Oh, it's really cute.
We are in Portugal now, and yeah, he is my pet. We travel together all the way through Portugal and spend the winter here.
Oh.
And he is with me in the van. He's traveling with me. You can see over here, this is the stall. It's actually in Germany, stall is like the place where donkeys stay in the night. And yeah, I can remove the bed, and the half of the camper is
So that he
empty
can-
then, and he can walk in.
Ah.
And here's a ramp inside, and I can fold it out, and then he can walk inside. It's like
That's
in a
really
horse
nice.
trailer.
It's the first time I really see it.
Yeah, he's used to people. He's really happy to get a carrot.
And the first time I see up close a donkey.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
the
why
first
when I
time.
see, I thought it's a horse when I'm driving, but I said, no, it's a donkey. And then
No, he's smaller than a horse.
he's
but-
really cute.
Yeah, he likes traveling. At home, we live on a farm in Munich, together with like 6 other donkeys.
Yeah.
But he likes to travel with me. We did walking also for 3 months from Germany to
Really?
Venice, to Italy, to the sea.
Oh.
Just walking, and then I bought the camper, and I thought like, oh my god, I need to take Johnny with me. So
Really? But do you have a problem accepting it with the campsites? So?
No, not at all.
just
Like
do it.
they didn't really know I checked in with a donkey because
because nobody
I tried to tell them, but they were like, donkey?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
And
not
they
in the
didn't
rules.
understand. No, they thought I checked in with a dog. But then we went inside, and I put up
Yeah.
the fence for Johnny, and then they were like, oh my god, there's a donkey on the campsite. But they
Yeah.
were all cool. It's
Yeah.
no problem to camp with a donkey.
Yeah, it's the first time. That's why, oh wow, I need to take video of him. It's really cool. Because I even have a problem or thinking bringing a cat because what would be,
It's no problem. If the cat is okay with the dogs,
yeah.
because Johnny need to get used to the dogs who are
Yeah.
running around here, but now it's okay. Now he knows everybody, and
Nobody attacks him like dogs.
no, not at all. They're just looking and maybe shouting a little bit, and then Johnny is like, and then it's okay.
Ah, that's sweet.
Es langsam, mein Schatz.